Hey guys, what's going on? So I kind of wanted to do a quick video, bring you up to speed, and let you know what's going on in the channel and videos that I have coming out. So we just released a bunch of RAV4 videos, and we got some a video that shows you how to replace a transmission filter in your RAV4, how to replace the overflow reservoir, how to change the battery in it, and stuff like that. So that said, the way things are going in the world right now, definitely subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of auto repair videos coming out, and they'll show you how to, do the maintenance on your car, or a lot of the common maintenance things on your car. And the great things about these videos is that a lot of what we do, Steve and I do, are general automotive repairs. So if we show you how to do a brake job on like a RAV4 or a Chevy truck or something like that, and I don't have a video for your vehicle, you can usually take the basic steps shown in the video and apply it to your vehicle, and it'll kind of guide you through. So other exciting things going on, we get picked up by Pool Parts to Go, and they've kind of been sponsoring the channel and sending us some product to test out. So among those products, here's a cover pump that we did a video on. Check that out. I'll put it in the description of this video, and I'll also put a link to their website in the description of this video, so you can check out to see what they have. They carry a lot of pumps, pool brushes, cleaning supplies for your swimming pool. It's a great place, a lot of great products. Go check them out. You don't want to miss out on that. Summertime's going to be here before you know it, and it's time to stock up. This Toro is a sponsor of the channel as well. They sent us a leaf blower and a few other items for our lawn. So as spring gets closer, we're going to be showing those, some product videos and that stuff. And I have a hedge trimmer that I think you guys are going to like. I'll unbox that. I'll show you how that works. And so definitely check out the Toro videos. We'll be releasing those soon. And I'll put a link in the description of the video over to their website, so you can take a look at it to see what they have to offer. So in case you haven't figured it out by now, the channel's called Homeowner Repair. And under that umbrella, as a homeowner myself, you have all this stuff. You have cars, you have ATVs. We like to camp. I've camped my whole life. So we have RV videos, and if you run into a jam like that, everybody ran out and bought RVs the last 2 or 3 years, check out our RV section and the playlist in there to see if you can apply one of those videos to your camper to help you out as well. Basically, everything that we've been building in this channel over the last few years is kind of like a mecca of do-it-yourself stuff. And it's basically really all the stuff that you might own. You can own some toys, you might own a sports car or a Jeep or a daily driver to get to work. So subscribe so you don't miss anything new that's coming out. Oh, and one last thing. I almost forgot. Just bought a boat. You guys might have seen my post. I bought an 89 Sea Ray. It's a bow rider. It's in really good shape. One owner boat. And haven't picked it up yet, but we should be getting it soon. And I'm sure as we start using that, I'll have to tear through that, update a few things. Can't wait to do some how-to videos on that as well. And that'll be a great addition to the channel. We'll definitely have some boat videos for you guys coming up shortly as the summer progresses. So with that said, Covercraft sent us this cover for our boat. My boat has the wakeboard tower on it, so I gave them the measurements. They custom made me this boat with the holes on it to fit around the wakeboard tower. So we're going to show you guys how the cover functions, what it looks like, how it fits and stuff like that. We'll put a link to their website and in the description of the video as well. We're pretty excited to have those guys come on too. Covercraft's been around for a really long time. They make a lot of great car covers, so they can cover, your boat. They have covers for your RV and for your sports car too. So I might have to pick one up for the vet pretty soon. So I hope you guys are liking everything that we're throwing out there. If you'd like to see anything else on the channel, leave it in the comments. Shoot us a comment. Let us know that you watched this video and what you'd like to see. And if you have any questions, definitely leave a comment, and I'll reply back to you. As always, thanks for watching, guys.